kitchen. From near and far, come and see me cook delicious dishes. Come and get a smile while you eat with your eyes. This is Courtney's kitchen.
Hey peeps, welcome to another Courtney's Kitchen video. Today I'll be doing white rice and curry, and don't forget that you can always do it in your way, and not really using any pepper, because I really can't have any pepper at the moment, but feel free to put pepper in your curry. Most people, if not everybody, enjoy their curry with pepper. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to use that. You can use your plain oil. You can use just your olive oil. And I'm just using a little bit to burn the curry. I don't like when my curry or stew is oily, so I just use just the amount that I need to get my meat moving around in the pot. Cover that pot and allow it to steam a bit. Color coming on nicely, as you can see. Just putting in some Irish potato and some carrots, because I like them at a certain texture, so I put them in a bit early. Just add a little bit of water because I want to add some coconut milk a little later on, because I don't want too much liquid in it. And this coconut milk, it gives a really lovely flavor to your curry. If only you could smell this aroma just popping up out of this pot. Just adding my, in Jamaica we call it grung seasoning, but really it's just like onions, sweet pepper, garlic, whatever you want to put in it, your thyme, you know, ginger, whatever it is that you want. Now I'm gonna do my plating, just using actually the center of the lettuce. Look at the color of that curry mixed with the coconut. Lovely, wouldn't you say?
This is Courtney's kitchen. Delightful taste from the heart. I know you're watching.
Remember, like, share and subscribe. It won't cost you a thing. Your help is highly appreciated. Look forward for more videos, and hit that notification bell.